How to make yourself positive. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make yourself more positive. In this journey towards cultivating a positive mindset, we'll explore various strategies and techniques that can empower you to embrace positivity in your life. By implementing these practices, you'll be equipped with the tools to navigate challenges, nurture self-growth, and embrace a more optimistic outlook. Get ready to embark on a transformative path towards greater positivity and well-being. Here you go. Firstly, surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive and uplifting people in your life. Surrounding yourself with individuals who radiate positivity can influence your own mindset. Engage in meaningful conversations, share laughter, and support each other in pursuing happiness. Secondly, focus on positive self-talk. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Challenge negative self-perceptions and replace them with empowering statements. Practice self-compassion and treat yourself with kindness and encouragement. Thirdly is seek personal growth opportunities. Engage in activities that allow you to learn, grow, and develop new skills. Set personal goals and work towards achieving them. Celebrate your progress and embrace the journey of self-improvement. Each step forward can boost your confidence and foster a positive outlook. Then practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. This simple practice can shift your focus towards the positive aspects of your life and cultivate a sense of appreciation. Next is practice mindfulness and self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Engage in activities that promote relaxation and self-care, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Be present in the moment, savoring the little pleasures of life. The 6th is choose positive influences. Be mindful of the media you consume. Surround yourself with positive books, movies, and music that uplift and inspire you. Limit exposure to negative news or content that brings you down. Select entertainment that fuels your positivity and encourages personal growth. The 7th is help others and practice kindness. Acts of kindness not only benefit others, but also contribute to your own positivity. Engage in acts of service, volunteer work, or simply practice random acts of kindness in your daily life. The genuine joy you bring to others will amplify your own happiness. Next is practice positive reframing. Train your mind to look for the positive aspects in challenging situations. Instead of dwelling on the negatives, actively seek solutions and focus on the lessons or opportunities for growth. Reframing your perspective can help you approach difficulties with optimism and resilience. Another important one is take care of your physical health. Engaging in regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep can have a significant impact on your mood and overall positivity. Prioritize your well-being and make healthy choices that nurture your body and mind. Last but not least, celebrate small victories. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Take time to recognize your progress and give yourself credit for your efforts. This practice reinforces a positive mindset, boosts self-confidence, and motivates you to keep moving forward. Remember, developing a positive mindset is a journey that requires practice and patience. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and consciously choose positivity in your thoughts and actions. By adopting these strategies and making positivity a priority, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. Remember, positivity is not just a destination, but an ongoing practice. By incorporating gratitude, surrounding yourself with positivity, practicing self-compassion, seeking personal growth, and engaging in acts of kindness, you'll continue to nurture a positive mindset and create a ripple effect of positivity in your life and the lives of those around you. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and keep cultivating positivity every day. By adopting these strategies and making positivity a priority, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. With love from Peace up on Mind Channel.